So in computer, we taught about networking. And they told us that networking is when different computers are connected together. And what happens? There are many benefits that goes with it. There's this thing they call the resource sharing. And what happens with the resource sharing? There is proper utilization, there is lower cost, and many other benefits. So what is SWEETBRIDGE? Okay, say SWEETBRIDGE is basically an alliance or a platform that have alliance, that has protocols, that have many steps to help with the problems of the supply chain. So you might be asking, what are some of the problems of the supply chain? Before we talk about the problems of the supply chain, we will talk about what is the supply chain. So the supply chain is basically everything that happens from the manufacturer to the end consumer. So when the manufacturer produces the product, it gets to the end of the end consumer. All the processes is what we call the supply chain. Now, when a product leaves the manufacturer and goes to the end user, do you know what happens? There are things that will happen. We have the retailers, we have the wholesalers. Now, when the product goes from one terminal to the other, there are cash that are locked up in the supply chain and nobody have access to them. So before a person goes from one point to another, it may take something like 90 days to get financing. And money are locked up. And this money that is being locked up, a person needs capital to actually produce more, to be able to expand more, to do marketing, to pay workers, and to do all these stuff. So that is a very, very big problem today, right? So what is SWEETBRIDGE? SWEETBRIDGE is building an alliance that will help people with crowdfunding, with the legal side of it, that will help people source for partners that can actually support their project, and a lot of stuff. And then they have protocols that could help with optimization and liquid talent. They will help with, I told you, resource sharing, accountability. You can actually see and say, okay, this is supply chain, this is actually what is happening and all that. With settlement and then liquidity. So you can go through liquidity in action, settlement in action, risk management in action, accounting in action, resource sharing in action, and all that. Now, let me tell you something. The SWEETBRIDGE have what we call currency pegged tokens, which is called the sweet coin. So for now, they will have the sweet coin that you can actually, from the day one, you can actually lend your crypto assets, and it is interest free, and there is no third party. So I don't want to make this video very long. I could tell you supply chain, they did this and that, but I want to tell you this in a nutshell. What is SWEETBRIDGE? SWEETBRIDGE is basically an alliance. So that is why I use the computer explanation to actually tell you. You connect all that is needed. So you have an institution, you connect all the computers together. There is a goal, right? So the goal is that we have a document to deliver. So what happens? Connect them together. You share resources together and all. So what is SWEETBRIDGE? We want to deliver this stuff to the consumer, right? Why are we partitioned? Manufacturer, consumer. Connect them together. Everything that is needed, from financing, accountability, to settlement, to optimization, to proper utilization of resources, everything, the SWEETBRIDGE takes care of them. Guys, I hope this platform actually makes sense to you. I hope the explanation I actually give you is very simple enough to actually understand the SWEETBRIDGE system. So if this video was helpful to you, hit the subscribe button and like the video. So you might be saying, hey, you didn't talk about the team. Should we talk about the team? Yes, let's talk about the team. So who is behind the team? These are guys who have been in the supply chain business. So the founder actually founded a company which is called the Trust Technology. and actually sold the business. And that he was founding the business, that was in 1993. So you're talking about over 20 years. And we can go through other platforms, other people who are in the team and see their experience. So you have a very strong team. We didn't talk about the partnership, right? You can go through the partnership and see the people who are in the team. You can talk about the ecosystem and all that. This thing is actually a very robust thing. Let's see this video.
Join the liquid economy with SWEETBRIDGE. At this moment, trillions of dollars in global assets are unproductive. Their value is trapped and can't be used for trade. This impacts the world's economy and you. There is a better way. SWEETBRIDGE gives you access to the value of your own assets without selling them. In exchange, you get Bridgecoin, the liquid asset you can use for whatever you want, including converting it to cash. This is how asset-based lending has worked for more than 5,000 years. So, what's new? Now you can borrow from yourself using the blockchain, a secure global network of computers that can enforce contracts. With the SWEETBRIDGE app, you can even lend money to yourself interest-free, because the money isn't borrowed from anyone else. Bridgecoin is created and transferred to your account when you pledge your asset and burned when you repay your debt. In essence, the SWEETBRIDGE protocol acts like banks of old, issuing banknotes when they're needed for trade. But unlike fiat currency, every Bridgecoin is backed by real assets on the blockchain. Bridgecoin can also be used to buy the membership token SweetCoin. SweetCoin supply is limited and reduces network risk while increasing network trust. The more SweetCoin you own, the better service terms you can get, like zero interest loans, easier to pay down debts over time, and no fee exchange to other currencies like US dollars, Bitcoin, and Ether. At SWEETBRIDGE, our focus is on enabling commerce for you and for the global supply chains that make up 2/3 of the world's GDP. Trust yourself. Unlock the liquid value of your assets. How can you start? Join the SWEETBRIDGE economy, an economy built for trade, and buy SweetCoin tokens when a crowd sale goes live in your region. Then use the SWEETBRIDGE app to securely transfer assets into your portfolio. You can start borrowing against cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum tokens. Keep the appreciation of your existing asset and do what you want with the borrowed money. You owe yourself. Bridgecoin and SweetCoin go hand in hand to build a new liquid economy that benefits all participants. Find out when SWEETBRIDGE is spamming your country. SWEETBRIDGE, let's find a better way. Details at sweetbridge.com/crowd sale.
So guys, that is it about this platform. Do have a very good day.